Say goodbye to those spending thousands of dollars on those TA courses or endless time to watch news and charts, expensive indicator, and you don't even need to join any single group to scare missing out any opportunity. What you need is an AI automatic. Hi everyone, we are excited to invite you to a special workshop focused on AI trading techniques in crypto markets. Join us at Jubin BMS Tebrau HQ on June 22nd, 2024 and dive into the world of AI trading. It's a real-life meeting. So what to expect over the whole courses? Learn AI trading fundamental. Understand how artificial intelligence can enhance trading strategies. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Gain insight how AI is specifically applied in the crypto market. Ask questions, enhance with practical demonstrations because we are doing live to teach you how. If the complexity of modern trading market seems daunting, our workshop is designed to help simplify to this concept even though you are new in the industry. We focus on education, providing you with the tools and knowledge to confidently explore AI trading. Curious about how to change your trading approach? If you wish to learn, join us below and I'll see you at the event.